What does $250 million actually buy in Beverly Hills?
Today, we're stepping inside one of the most expensive private residences in America.
A mega mansion built for billionaires, celebrities, and global elites. This isn't just a home, it's a statement of power.
This isn't just a home.
Located in the most prestigious zip code in Los Angeles, this estate sits high above the city,
Offering panoramic views from downtown LA to the Pacific Ocean. Privacy. Elevation. Exclusivity. In Beverly Hills, location alone can be worth tens of millions. Guests are welcomed through private gates into a dramatic motor court, designed to accommodate over 20 vehicles. A 30-foot glass entry door opens into a cathedral-like foyer wrapped in imported Italian marble. First impressions here are unforgettable. Designed to accommodate over 20 vehicles. A 30-foot glass entry door opens into a cathedral-like foyer wrapped in imported Italian marble. The main living area spans over 5,000 square feet turreted, designed with seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Disappearing glass walls create the illusion that the home floats above Los Angeles.
Every detail is engineered for luxury living at scale. Every detail is created with luxury in mind.
The estate features dual kitchens, a show kitchen for entertaining, and a professional-grade chef's kitchen hidden behind. Custom cabinetry, rare stone countertops, and built-in wine displays designed for over 1,000 bottles. Custom cabinetry, rare stone countertops. The primary suite alone is larger than most homes.
Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the city like a living painting. Do-it spa bathrooms, boutique-style closets,
This is where the mansion becomes an experience. A private Dolby Atmos theater.
a temperature-controlled whiskey lounge,
Wellness is not an amenity, it's a lifestyle.
even a full bowling alley they had, built beneath the estate.
Wellness is not an amenity for it, it's a lifestyle. The estate includes a private spa, sauna, steam room, and a fully equipped fitness center overlooking the city. The Infinity Edge pool appears to spill directly into the skyline.
The infinity edge pool appears to spill directly into the skyline.
Outdoor kitchens, private cabanas,
And lounge areas create a 5-star resort experience.
without ever leaving home.
For collectors, the garage is a gallery.
And capable of housing over 30 exotic vehicles.
At $250 million, you're not just buying square footage, you're buying prestige, privacy, status,
And one of the rarest addresses in the world.
Would you live here if money wasn't a factor?
Subscribe to Luxury Estates TV for the world's most extraordinary homes. This is where luxury lives.